Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we will talk about top 5 uses of rice milk. So firstly, I will tell you how to make rice milk at home. This is so easy. You have to take half cup of rice and soak them in half cup of water for 20 to 30 minutes. Boil rice in 1 cup of water for 20 to 30 minutes till rice gets softened, and then after cooling down you have to blend them in a mixer till you get a creamy consistency. You can also stain it to remove any particle from it, or you can add it in a spray bottle. So the first remedy is you can make a cleanser out of this rice milk. For this, you have to take 1 tablespoon of honey and add 2 tablespoons of rice milk. Honey is full of natural properties. It will brighten and tighten your skin and also give a natural glow to your face. Apply this mask for at least 20 minutes and then rinse it. And for the good results, you have to do this twicely in a week. Second remedy is rice milk face mask. This is so easy to make at home. You have to take 1 tablespoon of gram flour or besan, pinch of turmeric as this will remove the dark spots from your face, and add 2 tablespoons of rice water or rice milk. Apply this mask on face for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse it with water, and again you have to do it twicely in a week for good results. And next is rice milk toner. As we all know that rose water is the natural toner for our face and for the skin. So you have to take equal proportion of the rose water and rice milk, add it in a separate bottle and sprinkle it on your face daily for a week to see the good results. Number 4 is rice milk Deten Scrub. Coffee is a natural scrub that will refine and smoother your skin. It will remove the dead cells from your skin. So you have to take 1 tablespoon of the coffee and add 2 tablespoons of rice milk in it. Apply it on your face, on your hands. Do scrubbing gently. This will also remove blackhead and whiteheads from your face. Next is overnight mask with aloe vera gel and rice water. This mask is so refreshing and you can use it on daily basis at least for 2 weeks. You have to do it for the good results. You have to take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and add 2 tablespoons of rice water. I hope you will like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel for watching more such videos.